thought we'd make it to Airlie. Well, almost. I haven't made it yet.
This shop is insane. It's coming from all different directions and we're just like in a washing machine. We've got rubbish, shopping, washing.
I'm holding Soph's hair back while she fuels. How's the internet, babe?
Hang on, I'll just check 1 second. Best burgers. This is Slim.
3 knots on the face, skipper!
I'm Soph, the skipper. Oh, and we have a fluffy crew member too, Chili. We live aboard our 1989 Duncanson 34. She may be vintage, but her glory days are far from over. We're taking her around Australia, exploring our beautiful Aussie backyard. We put new videos out every Monday, so subscribe. Come along with us.
Island, a safe haven from southerlies, a wonder of the ocean. Its huge mountainous ranges placed in a delicate row stretching off into the horizon. It's a holiday's dream. But of course, we had an interesting time here. Here's what happened. We woke with mysterious concrete mounds strategically placed around the decks. We're losing power and we've realised our solar was under attack.
There is literally a Jurassic bird here. Within 2 nights of being here, we've never seen the solar panels covered in poop like that. 2 nights of being here, the solar panels were covered in poop. And they're massive poos as well. And they wake up and they're all over the deck. They're like thick clay poops. I'm pretty sure that there is a, what's the name of the dinosaur that flies? Pterodactyl. Pterodactyl somewhere here.
We waited day and night to catch the culprit until finally... Bastard!
We found it! The Jurassic bird!
Get off! Oh no, it's not an eagle, it's one of those...
It's like one of those...
Oh, it's Polly!
Sorry, it's studio lighting.
Oh.
Your conspiracy theory was right!
Yeah, I told ya. It was windy, with southerlies, which sure does offer great protection from. But like, it was really, really windy. It's wonder. And after our heads had been well and truly blown off, we spotted an ease in the wind and made a quick dash for it.
So we're leaving this morning and heading to Airlie. We thought while this wind is still very windy, we'll get some fresh things because we're on a pasta and onion diet at the moment, and also get some fresh water.
To let you down, and now you run. Oh, now I'm crying, 'cause I want you back.
We got a bit of head sail out and had a chat amongst ourselves. The wind was too far behind us and the head sail was struggling to stay full behind the mainsail. So we talked of goose winging. But then we looked at the 4 winches on the starboard side. As we have a reef in, I set up the runner. We then didn't want all the head sail out, so we had the furling line controlled on the other winch. We also had a preventer in the mix of it, which stops us from accidentally jibing. We decided we'd just see how we go with the heady out on that side.
And if you see my love.
Whoever thought we'd make it to Airlie? Well, almost. Haven't made it yet.
Yeah. Don't speak too soon.
Yeah, I know. No, but we're off to a good start today. We've only had the, what do you call it? Windless break. Good day for it.
We've just decided to run without the head sail for a bit because it was just flapping around, and I don't know, we're actually doing alright with just the main.
Had a scene. We did a really shit job of wrapping the head sail.
Oh no.
And if you see my love, tell him that I'm sorry. I will do anything to get him back.
What are you cooking?
I'm being naughty. Because we've been rationing all our food for the last couple of days and we thought we had to be out for a couple more days. We don't. So I've got some of the last of the eggs, last bit of cheese, last little veggie sausages. I'm gonna make like cheesy sausage and egg and onion, chipotle, toasted burritos. Yum. Pretty naughty, eh? Yeah.
As we made our way from Shore Island towards Hamilton Island, we had the swell running with us. But as we passed these islands, creating an opening, the swell started coming in from here. We also had current against us running this way. All things combined made for some pretty washy seas. Oh, that was a good one! Actually, the worst confused seas we've had yet. Who would have thought it in the Whitsundays, eh? Chili, hold on!
To prove to you how rolly it's just gotten, this is how the eggs have cooked themselves.
Where two lost souls, let's get lost by intention. Where the world has protection, where the waves hit the sand.
This chop is insane. It's coming from all different directions and we're just like in a washing machine of like big waves.
Bodies in the sun, scattered lips, arms and pebbles, sing slowly as the march at the
Once we got to the most northern end of Long Island, we threw a jibe to begin making our way down Molle Channel. Once we were in this channel, tucked behind the islands, the swell had completely dropped off, and the tide was now running with us, so we were doing a whopping 8 knots, sitting very, very comfortably.
It's loose! 2 and 8 knots, but we're flat.
And to top our exhilarating trip off, we rounded Pioneer Rocks, pulled closely into the wind, past Funnel Bay, which yes, its name stands correct as the wind bullets and funnels through the valley, giving you enough wind to be pinned down or nothing at all. And like this, we made our way up into Airlie Beach. Can you believe we made it here? We certainly can't.
It's been a while since I've put a pair of shoes on, as you can tell. But we are going ashore, full land folk.
I have a friend here, which is super exciting, and she's been an absolute legend. And she has left her car for us at the sailing club that's just in here, which is where you bring your dinghy. So we've got a car to pick up. She's also let us go to her house, use her washing machine and have a shower, which is also apparently near a supermarket. So we're gonna run a whole bunch of errands today. We got rubbish, shopping, washing, what else? That's it so far. Bye, Julie. Bye, Julie. Bye. See you soon.
Clean spot for you, bud. There.
Alright, Simon's driving because I haven't driven since I broke my ankle and I'm kind of terrified.
In luck.
How do people work these?
Don't be afraid, baby. I'll love you forever. Don't feel, baby.
There's hardly any room for us in the tender.
Great success. Even such. Big on. I got a spot for my feet at least. Alright, so I can still Tetris a bit more in there. Root vegetables. We're getting there. We're getting there. We're getting pretty good at this Tetris game.
I will leave you never. Don't be afraid, baby. I'll love you forever.
We've just come into Coral Sea Marina to make use of their fuel dock and water facilities. We mostly came in here for water. We don't really need much fuel, but we thought we may as well get some fuel.
I'm holding Soph's hair back while she fuels.
To be honest, I don't really know where we're going to anchor today. I'm hoping it's going to come to us as we progressively head in a direction. Because, I don't know, there's too many to choose from and we just don't really know. So we need to figure that one out soon. Probably very soon because, yes. Maybe the wind will determine which way we're going because there is a bit of a breeze there.
Yeah.
And it's like easterly. You need to undo the things.
It's undone here.
No, like the things. So we've decided. So we've decided to go to Sid Harbour tonight for this evening. Exciting stuff. I think we're now only 9 nautical miles away, so only a couple more hours, so cool!
3 knots right there.
Yeah, we're currently doing 3 knots, so wow. And we're just passing North Molle Island. I don't know if it's called North Molle Island or just Molle Island. There's a bit of breeze, so it's kind of cool. North Molle Island we're passing right now, which is kind of spectacularly beautiful. All is well aboard Nakama. Alright, over and out.
There's no fish on the sounder.
Actually, now that I just said that, the wind has rechanged our plans. We're heading exactly for Makona Inlet and it's going to probably work out better for us tomorrow anyway. So I think we're just going to go do that. I don't know, we're really unsure today. We have no, we're like, fuck, where should we go today? We have no idea. Anyway, so the wind's taking us to Makona, so that's where we're going.
We just went from doing 3 knots to 5 knots and it's like, I know what a motor. And we're heading to Makona at 5 knots at the moment, so we may as well. I'm having a Makona. All the stars are aligned.
I can imagine this is like a tropical Canada where it's like hill meets sea with pine trees.
Foresty reef. It's like surf and turf. I've never quite understood it. But maybe it works, I don't know. I don't think I've ever tried it, to be honest. How's the internet, babe?
Hang on, I'll just check 1 second. Best burgers. Perfect internet.
Perfect. So since we've installed the Selfie Go and we're trying to figure out where it's working and not whatnot, I don't know, the first time I was like, I wonder if the internet's working. It's showing full bars, but it doesn't always, the internet doesn't work on, anyway, whatever. So I was like, search for best burgers. So now it's becoming our impromptu to see if Google's actually working search, to see if the internet's working. It's like, so no matter where we are, we always know where the best burger shop is. So if you ever need to know where the best burgers are along the east coast of Australia, send us a message, we'll let you know.
We've teleported ashore. We came here to fly the drone. The drone is now sitting on the ground up a hill. It crashed, we lost connection. Drone down. Simon is trying to make his way to it with the map where we can see that it's crashed, and he's taken that and he's trying to attempt to climb this like steep terrain to find the drone. I don't know how much luck we're gonna have. It probably will be an unsuccessful mission. Anyway, we'll keep you in the loop. What's going on?
I'm just worried about the light on the way back down.
Wonder if it's on the other side of that hill.
Yeah, I can show you, I took a screenshot of where I got to on it. That's what I was freaked out about.
Our dogs
Oh man,
and dead things.
I thought that was so real when I was walking back down.
They smell brilliant in
It's meant to be winter, so I was telling myself that there wouldn't be snakes, but there clearly is. So I went on a little bit of a trek up the mountain, but it was really, to be honest, it was just scary. It was just like rocks and they were all loose and I was kind of climbing. I was like, nah, not for a second-hand drone that's been so faulty for so long and it's just fallen out of the sky as well. So it's probably pickled in it. Nah, not by myself. Look how high, it's at the top of that mountain.
What an absolute bummer. A way to finish your day, that's for sure. Actually, the good news is that, or unfortunately, sorry guys, unless we somehow miraculously get it tomorrow morning, there won't be drone footage in this episode or probably in the next couple of episodes. But the good news is that we have a drone on its way. It's on Miles's boat. We bought a drone and he picked it up for us. So as soon as Miles gets here, we'll have a drone. So everyone tell Miles to hurry up.
Shit. Oh, hey, I'll be right over, man. I'm coming.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. Join us next week as we explore the true icons of the Whitsundays. We'll see you then.